You guys, welcome back. It feels more like spring today, which has me craving mango sticky rice calledาวเหน ยวมะม่วง. It's a sweet and salty dessert that is perfect for this comfortable weather. Let's get started. The sticky rice has been rinsed until the water ran clear and soaked overnight. Time to steam it. In the meantime, let's make a coconut milk marinade for the sticky rice. Sugar into the coconut milk. Salt. And pandan leaves, which will add a nice aroma and flavor. We'll need this slurry made of rice flour and water, which will be used to thicken up the salted coconut milk sauce shortly. In some coconut milk. Salt, and the slurry. Set this aside. It's been about 30 minutes. Let's give the ball of sticky rice a nice flip to allow it to cook evenly. Steam for another 10 minutes on a rolling boil. Sticky rice is done. Add the sticky rice into a bowl. Allow the steam to escape. In goes the coconut milk marinade. let it marinate for 20 minutes, covered. After 20 minutes, remove the pandan leaves. Mix it. And allow this to rest for at least another 20 minutes. The longer it rests, the more the marinade will move into the sticky rice grains. I'm using champagne mangoes today that has been chilled in the fridge. Use your favorite less fibrous sweet variety that you have available. There's many ways to serve the mango. Here's a couple of ways. Feel free to be creative with the way you serve mango sticky rice. The sticky rice tastes great the next day as well. You'll just need to heat it up in the microwave. Top with boiled and then roasted mung beans, and even better, my favorite, roasted sesame seeds. Here we have it, ข้าวเหนียวมะม่วง. The sticky rice can be eaten warm or hot. The chilled mango pairs well with the sticky rice that has absorbed the flavor and aroma of the sweet and salty coconut milk. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.